In this video, we'll cover how AppNeta monitoring policies automate user experience monitoring in large-scale environments. Monitoring policies simplify the deployment of active network and web application monitoring without the need to create and maintain complex deployment scripts. Imagine you are a network administrator for a user base of 8,000 people located all over the world. Every week, anywhere from 1 to 50 employees join or leave the company. Using monitoring policies, you can configure monitoring once and have every new workstation monitoring automatically according to the policies they match. This saves time every week that can be put back into other responsibilities. A monitoring policy defines the target network or application to monitor with AppNeta, which monitoring points to monitor from, and how monitoring should be conducted. Dynamic rules can be added to automatically monitor from monitoring points that meet particular criteria, such as the type of monitoring point, the network it is connected to, or its geographic location. Let's take a look at a couple common use cases. If your user base splits their time between the office and working remotely, you likely need to monitor internet connectivity from every workstation. In this scenario, you could create a monitoring policy to automatically monitor the connection to an AppNeta global monitoring target from every workstation monitoring point. And monitoring would then start automatically from each new workstation as the monitoring point connects to AppNeta without the need to come back and add new monitoring points to the policy. In another example, a large enterprise has hundreds of sites, each with multiple egress networks. In this scenario, you could use network rules to specify which networks to monitor from. A common scenario is to automatically monitor a particular application only from the perspective of the relevant end users. You could assign custom tags to each monitoring point to identify them by business context, such as department. Then, use the tag in a policy rule to monitor applications only from monitoring points deployed alongside the people who rely on those applications. Let's take a peek into a demo environment to see how it all works. Monitoring policies are typically configured from the Monitoring Policies page. We can add monitoring either as a standalone policy or as a policy group. A standalone policy monitors a single target. A policy group monitors multiple targets with a common set of monitoring points and configuration preferences. When creating or updating monitoring policies, consider whether the monitored targets are web applications or network endpoints. If the targets are web applications, we would typically create separate policies with unique workflows for each application. For example, we would need separate policies if the workflow should verify that the HTTP response includes the expected body text or that a particular UI element is present. Here is an example of a monitoring policy group with several policies. Each policy inherits the monitoring point rules and monitoring preferences configured at a group level. When the policy group is saved, AppNeta will create the new network paths and web paths. Each path represents the network or web monitoring performed by a single monitoring point across one egress network to a specific target. Paths are considered in policy as long as they adhere to the rules defined in a monitoring policy. However, if the policy is altered, for example, by excluding a set of monitoring points, then paths from those monitoring points are considered out of policy and monitoring stops. By default, out-of-policy paths are maintained in AppNeta with the monitoring status policy mismatch. But an admin can optionally turn on data deletion for the monitoring policy so that out-of-policy paths are automatically deleted when they are out of policy for at least 7 days. This concludes the overview of monitoring policies in AppNeta. Check out our other tutorial videos that demonstrate how to configure policies for different monitoring scenarios. Thanks for watching.